Brows, honey. Oof, brows. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Miss Imani E. If you are new, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and join the family if you like what you see, which you should. Anyway, getting right into it, guys. As you can see, a girl does not have much eyebrows. And I have some bald spots. Horrible. Oof. I actually don't even do my eyebrows as far as like trimming them because I don't have much to trim. My eyebrows are just one of those things that just don't grow. But for the people that do, the best way to get your brows done is to either get your brows done or shape them up at home with the little eyebrow shapers you can get from the beauty supply store. They're like $1. But the girl is not doing either one of those. But I will say it will help if you're trying to get your brows as even as possible. Just remember, brows are not identical sisters, they're fraternal. But let's go ahead and get right into this video. My face is like mad dry right now because I just washed my face. But we're gonna go ahead and put on a primer. This is Il Makiage's No Filter Poreless Base Smoothing Primer. I like this because I used to use calamine lotion to have like that matte and blurring effect to it, just to look smooth as possible. But this primer gets the job done, so I really don't need to use it. Not giving up on it, just don't need to use it. But other than that, we're gonna use this to go ahead and just prime my face because I have 2 more videos dropping for you today. Hopefully all at the same time. Hopefully it doesn't do what it did the last time and make me wait 5 days on what's going on with YouTube and making me wait so long for my videos. And I'm gonna go in with a spoolie first. So what I like to do is brush my brows up. And honestly with my brows, guys, I like the feathered look. I kind of quit on the so precise brows because I just feel like it wasn't giving me that natural look that I wanted from my makeup. Don't get me wrong, I'll still do it, but I prefer these over anything. And then also what I like to do, just to keep them with this feathered look up, I like to go in with some glue. I know you like glue, yes sis. Some glue, and that's just to keep it because my eyebrow hairs for whatever reason like to fall back down. Don't know why, but they like to fall back down, so that's why we're gonna go in with some of this glue just to keep it feathered up. So as you can see, your girl is straight. So now, what I'm gonna do is go in with my Nicka K. Not really sure how to pronounce that, but my eyebrow pencil. So it's an eyebrow duo. On one side is the actual eyebrow pencil and the other side is like mascara, but I actually use the mascara on my brows just to darken it up some more. But first what we're gonna do is go in with the eyebrow pencil side, and I'm gonna start at the front. I know everybody says, oh my gosh, start at the back. No, I can start at the front because I still like to draw that little line, as you can see here. So basically I want to have like a basis of where I want my eyebrow to start and stop. So that's why I like to start at the front, like as far as how far in I want my brows to go. And normally right about there is good for me. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And then what I'm going to do after I finish drawing that line is I'm not going to connect them because I don't like the whole unibrow thing when making the brows. I don't like it. I mean, I've been doing brows for I think 4 or 5 years now. I don't think I need that guideline. But I'm going to fill it in now from the tail ends, just like feather strokes, and follow my natural arch. I'm not going to build my own arch. I'm just going to follow my natural arch. but I'm also going to use feather-like motions as I fill them, and you should start to see them come into play. And then once I get to like the end parts right here, I like to take a light hand, just a light hand, and do an upward motion. And I kind of like to almost round them out at that very end part. But as you can see, there's already a transition there, so you don't have to do too much blending in that area. I'm gonna do the same on this brow. Same technique. But guys, I have 3 more videos lined up for you guys. I asked you guys what you wanted to see from me, and you guys actually responded fairly quickly. So I have, I think, a superhero look for you guys. I don't even know why I'm telling you guys. I'm just gonna let it be a surprise. But you already know one of the videos now that I will be doing for you guys. I plan on dropping, like I said in my previous videos, at least 3 videos a week. And that's the ultimate goal. So now what I'm gonna do is go on with that mascara side and just kind of, you know, bold my brows, if that makes sense. Also with a light hand, because I don't want no dark clumps of mascara on my brows. And we're gonna do it just like that. And I don't ever use too much either. So now I'm gonna take the spoolie and I'm gonna blend everything out, starting from the front. And then when I do it, I like to go in like this kind of motion. I guess you can call that circular, but we're gonna go in a circular motion. Yep. And we're just gonna feather everything outwards, upwards. And then of course, you know, you're gonna have to go back in and fill in some more spots that you notice got swept away from the spoolie. And that's exactly what I'm about to do. All right. So now I'm gonna go back in and just fill in those spots. Alrighty. Alright, so let's move along. So now I'm gonna go into my Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Deep Sand. I'm gonna go in with a flathead brush. So this end of the brush. And we're going to clean the brow up. And what I'm doing now is basically the end of the brow tutorial, and I'll say that because I don't do the upside of the brow. I don't do that. Like I said, I like the natural feathered look. So I'm just gonna take my concealer and pretty much carve out my brow from the bottom. And follow my arch. But then I'm also gonna put some on my lid, because like I said, I have a whole look for you guys. Let's go ahead and get that done. So what I will do on this part is actually connect the concealer just to have that even flow. I also like to go back and forth on both sides just to make sure my arches look about the same, and right now they don't, so I gotta go fix that other side. So let's see what we can do here. I can bring that arch up some more. remember what I said. Brows are meant to be fraternal, not identical. Now, if you're good enough to get identical sisters with these brows, then you're a goat, sis. All right. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and set that base for my eyelids with the rest of the concealer that was on here. Gonna blend everything out. And then only because of the look I'm about to do, I'm also gonna set my eyes with some Air Sponge translucent powder, just so my eyes don't crease. So that's pretty much how I do my brows, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and don't it look good? Yes, sis. But what I normally do afterwards, once I complete this part, I go ahead and I just go ahead and put on my foundation. And don't be scared to actually get a little bit of foundation in your brow, because you're ultimately going to use your spoolie anyway to brush it back up to give it that feathered look, which is also going to brush some of that foundation out the way. Brows. Like I said, you can see we set the base already, so that is what it is. This. But guess what? Because this ain't the end of the video. It's not. This is just part one of like the quote unquote get ready with me. So ultimately, if you want to see more, which I know you do and you should want to see more, stay tuned, because I have a whole eyeshadow look for you guys. Sorry guys, started thinking. I have a whole eyeshadow look for you guys using the Face by Kareem palette, which you guys said that you want to see. So make sure you stay tuned with your girl for her next video. Actually, right now, as this video is ending, a little box thing on either side of me right now. Click that box. Hit right over there, because this ain't finished. So I'm about to teach y'all how to do some eyeshadow and how to highlight and contour, how to go from looking real round in the face to real snatched to me.